Semantics by Ohidur. Greek noun sema, sign/signal. Verb semas, signal/mean/signify. Relating to signification, meaning. Aspects of linguistics dealing with the relations between referents, names, and referends, things. Diachronic, historical, semantics, studies semantic change. Synchronic semantic, accounts for semantic relationship, simple or multiple. Semanticism, how a man is able to paraphrase, transform, and detect ambiguities and only the surrounding words sometimes force him to choose one interpretation rather than another. Semantic analysis must also explain antonyms/synonyms/homonyms, homophones, polysemy/anomalies/relations/ambiguities/implications/transformations of language. Should also give an account of semantic properties and relations. Importance of meaning. Structuralists study language without meaning. Recognized since time memorial. Essence of language. Speech without meaning, tree without fruits and flowers. If eternal, one word would have meant one and the same thing in all the languages. No semantic change, no necessity of learning words. Still semantic universals. The soul of language. Difficulties in the study of meaning. Linguists, excluding semantics from linguistics, because of toughness. Been studied not only by the linguists but also by philosophers/psychologists/anthropologists/sociologists. Scholars, long puzzled over what words mean or what they represent, or how they are related to reality. Where does meaning exist, in the speaker or the listener or in both, in the context or situation? Words, convenient units to state meaning. Meanings by virtue of their employment in sentences, most of which contain more one word. Tools, become important by the function they perform, the job they do, the way they are used. In certain sentences. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.